Hello smart learners, today you will learn about how can you add sections, paragraphs and chapters within your LaTeX document. So let's start by adding section and we will write here introduction. Let's recompile it. Okay, as you can see that introduction is appearing here, and if you don't want this one, we can add static here. Recompile it. Okay, as you can see that one disappeared. And now we are going to generate some random text with the help of a package named as lipsum. Add lipsum 1. Okay, this is the random text which is appearing as paragraph. This basically shows a section. And if I want to make a chapter, then I'll write it as chapter, my first chapter. Recompile it. One key point to learn here is that we do not have chapters in article. We have chapters either in book or reports. So we'll write here book. Now we will look subsections and we will add here a heading, my first paragraph. Add here lipsum again. By adding 3, it will generate the third paragraph of the dummy text named as lipsum. Recompile it. Okay, as you can see, it is appearing as 1.0.1. And why it is appearing here like this? Because our introduction does not have any numbered list. As you can see that we have used static here. If we remove the static, then we'll see how it appears. Okay, as you can see, it is appearing as this here. It looks nice. We can also do the same thing with the subsection, like we can insert static here just to make our section and subsection appear without any numbered list. Okay, as you can see that it is appearing here like this. And then we have another command which is subsection. Okay, let's write here and make it write a static here too. And my first okay, this is the lipsum text of our section 1 and compile it. Okay, as you can see, here is the introduction, here is my first paragraph, and here is my subsection. As you can clearly see that the font of this introduction is a little bit larger and this font is smallest if we compare the font with these two sections. Okay. And what if I remove these statics, then how it appears, how a subsection appears. Recompile it. Okay. It is not appearing. Okay, the issue here is that our subsection is not working correctly here because the numbering we are expecting, such as 1.1.1.1, does not appear by default in the book class. As you can see that we have a book class here, so it is not numbered by default, and in order to make it appear, we will add a custom command which we are going to add in our preamble. The section before the begin document is known as preamble, and we are going to add here secnumdepth. Secnumdepth 3. Let's recompile it. Okay, as you can see that we are getting level 4 subsection numbered list. Now we will add our paragraph. We will add here the random text of Lipsum by adding 2-3. It is going to insert second and third paragraph of Lipsum dummy text. Just recompile it. Okay, as you can see that it is giving us 2 paragraphs, 2 and 3, and it is by default bold because whatever the thing that is written within these enclosed brackets is bold. So this was all from my side. I guess you got the concept of section, subsection, subsections, paragraphs and chapters. Thank you so much for watching the video.